The prices of all items in a store are reduced by 15%. The normal price of a smartphone is £999. Find the sale price of the smartphone. So let's do that first. So the multiplier for a percentage decrease, because we're going to reduce everything by 15%, we do 1 minus the decimal equivalent of 15%, which is 0.15, and that gives me 0.85. And then all we need to do to find the sale price is going to do 0.985 times 999, which gives me £849.15. Okay, because in reducing by 15%, we only have 85% left of this, so we'll just need to find 85% of is multiplied 999. Part B, the price of a tablet is reduced by £48. Work out the normal price of the tablet. So 15% of the original price, X, is equal to £48. So we do 0.15 of the original price is going to be equal to 48. So X will be 48 divided by 0.15, which will give me £320. So the original price was £320. If I find 15% of that, it's going to be the £48, which answers this question. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to use percentages. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.